Hello there viewers, welcome back to the channel. Exercise can be tough because it's not always easy to figure out which ones to do for specific body parts. Additionally, it can be hard to find the time to do them. That's why we have found these 10 easy exercises that targets every single part of your body. These exercises will completely transform your body. But before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. Chin-up. Chin-ups are one of the most challenging bodyweight exercises. To perform this exercise, grab the bar with both hands, with the palms facing you, and arms shoulder-width apart. Now pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. Your elbows will be fully bent here. Pause for a second. With a controlled motion, lower yourself all the way back down until your arms are straight. Do 10 to 15 repetitions daily. Number 2. Bicycle crunches. This exercise helps you melt your body fat. To perform this exercise, lie down flat on your back. Pull your leg inwards with folded knees and place your hands under your head. Then lift your right leg and try touching your right knee with the left elbow, and make sure you lift your upper body while doing the exercise. Now ease back to the resting position and repeat the same with the other leg. Do 20 crunches every day. Number 3. Burpees. Burpees can be challenging, especially if you've never done them before. But if you perform burpees every day, even if it's just a few, you'll be powering up like a pro in no time. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder distance apart and send your hips back as you lower your body toward the ground in a low squat. Now, place your hands right outside your feet and hop your feet back, allowing your chest to touch the floor. Then push your hands against the floor to lift your body into a plank, and then jump your feet just outside of your hands. Finally, with a weight in your heels, jump explosively into the air with your arms overhead. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions of this exercise daily. Number 4. Lunges. Lunges increase muscle mass to build up strength and tone your body, especially your core, butt and legs. To perform lunges, stand tall on the ground with your feet hip-width apart and keep both your hands on your hips. Now move your right leg 1 foot forward. Then lower your body until your both front and back legs make a 90 degrees angle. Your right leg should not cross your toes, and at the same time, your back leg should be bent but not touching the floor. Hold this position for 2 to 3 seconds. Now press into your right heel to drive back up to the starting position. Repeat the same with the left leg. Repeat this exercise daily 15 times with each leg. Number 5. High knees. This is a fat-burning exercise. Start standing with feet hip distance apart. Then lift up the right knee as high as it will go and raise the opposite arm. Then switch quickly so the left knee is up before the right foot lands. Continue pulling knees up quickly for 10 minutes every day. Number 6. Push-ups. The push-up is the ultimate bodyweight exercise that utilizes every major muscle in your body. It helps develop strength and endurance, build upper body muscle, strengthen the joints, and even help coordinate work between the midsection and lower body muscles. Get down on all fours, placing your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Then straighten your arms and legs. Now lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Pause, then push yourself back up. You can start with 20 push-ups, but do not stick to this number. Try to extend the time in this exercise each day. Number 7. Bird dog. This exercise will work out your core and burn your belly fat. Start doing this exercise by getting on all fours. Your back should always be straight. Now reach out with one hand and extend the opposite leg. Engage your abs to maintain balance. Hold for a few seconds and switch. Repeat each side about 15 to 20 times. Number 9. Plank. Plank is one of the best calorie-burning and beneficial exercises. A plank hold engages multiple muscles at once, thereby benefiting the core strength of your body. For this exercise, get into a push-up position on the floor with your weight supported or your palms and the balls of your feet. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your heels to the top of your head and your hands are directly under your shoulders with your elbows straight. Pull your navel towards your spine to engage your core muscles. Hold this position for 1 minute. Try to repeat this exercise 2 to 3 times daily. Number 10. Hip raises. This exercise enhances core stability by targeting your abdominal muscles and the muscles of the lower back and hip. To perform this exercise properly, lie on a mat with your knees bent so that your feet are flat on the floor. Keep your back straight. Now place your hands out to your sides, palms flat for stability. Raise your glutes off the floor by extending your hips upward while pushing down through your heels. Continue until your back, hips and thighs are in a straight line. Hold for a count of 1. Return to the starting position by lowering your hips back to the floor. Repeat 10 to 12 times daily. Here we end up for today. Now, will you try these exercises to transform your body? Which part out of this video do you find the most challenging? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.